Today is Friday, November the 16th. Temperature's about 42 degrees out here, Cumberland County, Pennsylvania. And we had about 6 inches of snow, about 2 inches of ice on top of that last night. But we cope. Everybody does. So tonight I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this, I'm going to start doing more and more of these, okay? Started off doing this without bringing the camera in. Okay, so I'm going to use champion raisins for the champions. And man, that is a piece of some nice flank steak. Some Mother's Made, which in another market it's called Dutch Made, unsweetened applesauce. And my favorites, ajo cut green beans. See the ajo right there. So, got the steak on a sweet deal. If I don't use it, I'm going to lose it. Now, there's no way I can eat that much steak up. And I once used to, recently I said, you know, the way to eat steak is to chop into cubes, but that denies you the visceral, macho part of the caveman chewing the meat, throwing the bones at least so you can make the soup. That in there. So, I'm setting everything up, okay? I think I'm going to have a cold plate and a hot plate. And that just popped up to me, okay? What I want is, I like the applesauce, and I don't have any cinnamon here. I'll get that next week. And cut green beans, you know, you could do these, they're already cooked, but butter melts best with these. Oleo margarine, I use boob on it. You heat them. So, food is a visual art, okay? I wonder where that little piece is. Who knows? Iron is iron. It's good fight. So again, I have to speak loudly and succinctly and then test whether or not this was the correct vocal level, okay? So, nice colorful plate, decent amount of applesauce. So tempting to let go. But, you can always tell my asthma's kicking in when I start to cut. I come up front and a couple of words. Can't breathe, so. You have to think realistically that you're going to eat a lot of steak and that can bind up your intestines, okay? So you want to do the right thing. Let's have the correct amount of fruit. Helps you. So I'm going to have 2 hots and 2 colds. That's the way you save restaurant business, okay? Hot's going to be steak and green beans. So I just got the instructions that Thanksgiving down below the Mason-Dixon line across the Potomac was off for this year, first time in a few years, and I was wondering how we're going to do that. No, we're not. I think basically I'm on my own, which means that as a northern brother, I got to figure out how to take New York County brother Thanksgiving dinner, which is what I did for him last year. So that means Thanksgiving, I got to shut this house like another talking more. Will be tuned, because he's always tuned at Thanksgiving. Very sing. Now, fork. Okay. Need a lid for this. And I'm trying to educate myself every day. I don't always heat up my stovetop pans. I always use a preheat. I always use a preheat when doing the oven, because that's using a bigger pan. But tonight, I'm realizing that I want the green beans to go in the pan with the oleo. Once the oleo is already melted, so they'll cover the green beans thoroughly. And I dug up some green pepper. As we're going into green beans. Part of cooking living sausage a cube. Just have music on. Backgrounds. Mr. Waves from down south. This simplistic meal will produce food for tonight and probably 6 days worth of sandwiches. Just to keep that over there, and I'll slice that for rare steak sandwiches, and I got bread. I have bread for that, and also. I guess I gotta start planning the Thanksgiving meal and just pick it up and drop it off over this house. Can of beans. Easy peasy. They're very cooked up, I don't know, but he's not putting dressings on. The applesauce is done. That's about good. Cooking pads. Those are all kind of moment. Like to say, hot pads. Cooking all on low. Trying to keep in sync with sanitation and that. I have become a jar collector, but they don't always make the plastic stuff in the red jar. Squeeze it. Wow, it's chunky stuff. Come on. That's good with applesauce. It's chunky. Since I started listening to this, trying to get better for the struggling musicians group, and I just wanted the fiddle player. In life, anybody can play the fiddle is wonderful, because that's like the breath of Jesus. So this guy I met came into the CD show and I told people I chatted with him. So he played the fiddle and he wanted to see about what we were doing. I'm like, you're here today, let's go. And he showed up 3 or 4 weeks in a row and he brought in some awesome music. It's all regular classics that he's put in the workbook for us. So that all of us struggling musicians, and my instrument is the voice. Apparently become a tattoo promoter. So he brought all this back second week. He had songbooks for us, American traditional songs, and then seasonal songs. When he comes back the third week, then you got gospel hymns. Well, you got me right there. Play get as well as fiddle. 2 kit players, and he plays fiddle. There's 2 kit players, so everybody's 3. And me, we might have an accordion coming in. Another vocalist. As one of the beautiful things is to find out the joy of making music when you're in your 60s. So what I'm doing is I'm mixing in the peppers with the all green beans. And I recently have become hooked on this stuff called Balls Fiesta Salsa Mix. I haven't been making that much. That's all it takes. The grains and speckles of this stuff. And then this will make, so give an individuality to the green peppers that I put in there. And it calls Fiesta Salsa Mix. Gives that a nice little tone to them. Juice coming out of the steak. We're going to keep it in the steak. A lot of times I'll pour that juice off, thinking, oh, that's going to be bad for the steak. But since it's all steaming in, it's going to be okay. That's the front. Let's heat this up a little. So you save 2/3 of that can of applesauce. The applesauce costs maybe about 11 cents a can. So I used 3 1/4 cents for dinner. I decided to make this interesting. Just a little bit of flavor of some tomato mix. It's all smelling good. The food is smelling good. Your stomach starts warming up, all the receptors. Come on, let's eat, man. In America, we think the women provide the food. It's food in all the kitchens, country clubs all around the world. It's the men out there cooking. We've domesticated our women. We could be raising our kids better. Still, we're making them cook. Making them. We learn that. Oh man. Roly poly. This is a song about a fat guy. So just turned up the steak. I'm going to grill these sides, pull it out, and let it cook conductively. I use these words when I cook. We have standard microwave, we have convection, we have conductive. Convection is when it's coming like this. Conductive is when it's heating, it's coming outward. The conduct of the heat is it can't move away. And might as well heat up these green beans too. Let my flavor to a rest. Fourth ingredient kills it. I would love to put cheese on these green beans, then that would make them a binder to go through my intestines. And the idea is spicy food that doesn't bind. Brown oil. Yeah, chef down in Louisiana, he brown bread. Yeah, he got it 500 pounds. I don't get 500 pounds, so I don't carry it. Just a good chef is cooking. I'm a cook and a chef knows. So just from what they're doing, okay? Now I want all the fats. Fat is stored calories. Living socially secure is about storing your calories so they come out when you need them. It's okay to be a substantial size. I read recently that it helps seniors fight infections. See you got her. Yep, she's good. She's so good you got to cut it down. Nice. That would raise the steak. You really not. You can cut fast. You know, if everybody get meat the way they want it. So my sisters wanted it well. Guys wanted it rare. My mother would take the wings. It was just the chicken. My mother gave up the chicken. She said she liked the wings. Your way and yourself are facing, let the kids eat the breasts and the legs. The boys will be fighting over the legs, the girls will have the breasts. So this steak was just done correctly. Captain's up in heaven saying, amen, brother. So I cut about halfway through, and it's going to be past rare and get it to raw. Come back here, let the middle of the steak continue to cook, okay? But nobody knows this. Your mother worked at a Burger King and all that, I did. But if your mother works at a pancake house, she might not know how to cook steak. They don't serve steak at pancake house. We're closer than a country line. But rationale is telling me, just cut. What you can eat. In the middle of the steak, cut this rough part off. As I said, I wanted to leave most of the steak for steak sandwiches for this week. If you cut them too early, they get a little greasy. So now, you're going to come up with something for that steak. It's a man thing. Still feels like a flank, so I'll remember what it is. Next month I'm going to get labels. Deeper. No, I don't get nearer, closer than a country mile. Sorry, she can't straight. Here's an Irish guy. It's because there's no baked potatoes in this meal. So let's see how we got this under 20 minutes, okay? Here we go. 0.130% of raisins. What I said, the can is about 0.3 cents worth of applesauce. 0.3 cents, still under 5 cents, and about 35 cents worth of red meat. If that ain't living large, I don't know what is. And we didn't use Black & Decker toaster oven this time. We used the Amana oven.